Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your POCO F7. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to settings and adjust your media volume in the sound settings. So scroll a bit down, go to sound and vibration, and here in the adjust volume section, make sure that the media is at least half the way up. So it's more than 50%, and it should be okay. Now, what you guys want to do is, let me go back here. We need to scroll down and make sure that we are not in silent mode, and we do not have the silence media in silent mode enabled, because it can actually cause low volume. So now, what we can do is also disable Do Not Disturb. So make sure that it is disabled and your settings look like mine here. So now what you guys want to do is basically try and clean the speaker grills. So here we have the speaker grills, as you guys can see. Now we want to clean them very precisely because we don't want any debris or dirt being in here. And now what we can do is also update our software to fix any audio glitches. So scroll a bit up to About Phone. Now click on HyperOS, and it will check automatically if you have an update available. If you don't, then you will see a small notification right here that says no update available. And if you do, then you will see a big button here to update your software. So now, if you updated your software or you checked and you have the latest version, then what you guys can also do is restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now scroll a bit down to reboot and let go of your finger. So as you guys can see, now our phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys once the phone restarts entirely. So now after restarting our device, what we can do is basically bring it to the service center if nothing worked, and you should get a professional diagnosis made by a technician and not me. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.